Rookie cop shocked, his car disappears in a cloud of smoke.
Evening of June 2nd, 2021, a Lincoln County deputy in Wisconsin assists a citizen who is broken down on the road. While assisting the citizen, the deputy kept an ear on his police radio. Through the radio, the deputy is informed that a nearby off-duty officer in an unmarked police car is following a stolen vehicle.
I think I'm behind it right now. It's at K&Q, and I see that there was a squad on a traffic stop.
Is it going south to Marathon County or north?
Northbound into Lincoln.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
It's at K&Q.
I never understand how they orient themselves with the directions like that. Really impressive. I don't know north from south, dude. Is that bad? Do y'all know that? Am I just...
right now.
Okay.
Dean or somebody's on a traffic stop right there.
Yeah.
Do you want to get him on the horn?
Okay, I just gave it out.
The deputy quickly runs to his squad and begins...
Bro, I literally have to look up like a whole like MapQuest situation. I have to Google it. He's going somewhere. I don't know where he's going. Don't ask me. East or west. That's really important. What if I give you the wrong one?
Pursuing the stolen vehicle.
I gotta go.
Are you just leaving that guy stranded? Were you gonna help him? He looks so sad, bro. You just ruined his whole... He looks so sad, bro. Look at that. He's like, my only help is drifting away. Poor guy. Well, maybe. I don't know. I don't know the story. Or that guy got out of a ticket. But, I mean, his head was popped. That would look like he was trying to have some help there. Alright, get there.
Okay, does he sound like he's got it?
Yeah, he's going to get it. He's going 1080.
1080? Okay, got it. Okay.
1080? Am I stupid for not knowing that too? Dude, I don't know nothing, bro.
Gotta go.
Thank you. He's moving. Oh, shit. Oh. No, he's right there. He's flying though, bro. What is that? Freaking McLaren.
The stolen car vanishes into a billow of smoke. Officers fear the worst.
Oh, nah, he crashed, bro.
Piercing the smoke, we see only shredded remains. But a far more horrifying scene plays
Oh, dude, I thought he, like, got away. No, he got deleted, bro.
out off camera. The officer hurries to grab a fire extinguisher, hoping he's not too late.
I don't know, bro. Especially if it had any kind of half a tank in there, bro. It's...
Was field training a new recruit, but the same call would lead...
Oh, he was just getting trained. Oh, I was thinking... He looks sad, though. He was like, damn, I really want to learn right now.
To a lesson he wasn't expecting to teach.
What is this now? Oh. The second view. Oh yeah, he spun out and hit a tree. Oh dude, he's gotta be unconscious though. That probably like butt smacked that pole. Out, bro. Did it just explode? Was that what that was?
The driver lost control of the vehicle, and it reportedly went airborne. The driver was ejected from the vehicle during this process. As the second officer pulls up only seconds after, you can see just how demolished the car is, as it is nearly wrapped around this tree. After the officers pull up, they immediately put out a fire burning from the car with the proper equipment supplied
So he flew out? He was like ejected?
in their squads. Unfortunately, the accident is fatal, and it is clear to see why, looking at these evidence photos taken after the fact. The victim...
Oh, did he fly out 50 feet from the scene? Oh, that's far. That's almost 10 of me laying down. Ooh.
Is not visible in these photos.
I'm
As he
6 feet, by the way. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, he's 5 feet tall.
was not wearing his seatbelt and was found more than 50 feet from the scene. According to court records, the driver of the crash had a comparatively lighter record than other perpetrators who appear in our videos. Between 2019 and 2020, it appears the driver had attempted to flee officers on one occasion, though the severity of the past case seems light. That particular
He was like, bro, I've done this before. That's the universe for you. Just, oh, well, your experience is over.
incident lists no charges for endangering
I'm
safety
sorry, that's kind of dark, but honestly, karma's a bitch.
nor resisting arrest. Additionally, he has a charge for driving without a valid license and a separate charge for driving without a seatbelt. The jump from these very petty crimes
And this guy's just an asshole.
to the alleged stealing of a vehicle to fleeing officers at lethal speeds is surprising. His lack of wearing a seatbelt combined with extreme speeds resulted in him going airborne and
And you know, I will stand by that. If you are driving with doing these little infractions and stuff, not wearing your seatbelt, you know, texting a little too heavy and stuff, no respect for it, bro. No registration, no insurance, bro. No respect for it, bro. Get your goddamn life together or don't drive the car. I don't know, man. That's where I stand on that.
crashing into a fixed object. The series of compound
'Cause I'm not gonna be mad, right? Same in a situation where I don't have insurance or something like that. I'm not gonna be mad if something happens to me while I decide to drive without insurance. But don't make it somebody else's problem, because now they gotta have an extra policy to cover your negligent ass for hitting them. Because that's what happened to me. I got hit by a drunk driver who stole a car. Ain't nobody responsible for that. Dude who owns the car wasn't even driving. Insurance refused to pay it out. Come on, bro. No respect for that.
poor decisions tragically led to the loss of his life.
Out of respect for the deceased, this video has been carefully edited to exclude any content showing images of the suspect or
Oh, thank you, Midwest. Now I don't have to do
his
it.
injuries.
Mom jeans. She passed them down to you.
I gotta give him that ad money, bro. Least I could do. Oh, that's it? Oh, that's it, bro. Well, you got a post roll from me, Midwest. You're welcome. That was a pretty good one, dude. I thought it was gonna be totally different. I thought it was just gonna literally disappear, like that one old, super old video of that happening, which I still think was not the case. The cameras just sucked back then. Anyway, whatever. Next one is gonna be the worst way to handle a seatbelt violation.